Today I'll be talking about autism. So ASD is autism spectrum disorder. It is called as a spectrum disorder because it has got varied symptoms. Some children suffer a lot, some children do not suffer. So it's basically, we can define autism as a neurodevelopmental disorder where a child is born with a disability because differences in the brain. So the brain is differently formed, and because of this, the child is not able to adapt to the normal surroundings. He could avoid an eye contact. So if you address him with his name, he may not react to the same. Plus, he's engrossed in his own world, and you would find that he would do a repeated action over and over again. He would be interested in one type of a play like building up blocks, and he would get so engrossed with it so that if you disturb him, he would get upset. One important thing is that we find that they follow a routine. So if their routine is disturbed, then they get very upset and angry. Apart from that, speech development is a problem because of the communication error, because the speech is not developed because of the communication problem. There is a lot of anger and frustration, and this can lead to problems with behavior and communication. It's very important that we diagnose this problem early as possible, because there are medicines as well as therapies which are available, which will definitely help the child so that he doesn't get into a phase where you have to because the aggression sometimes at the age of puberty can be very severe. So to manage all these symptoms, help is required. So these are the signs and symptoms of autism. And what are the causes of autism? So if we talk about the causes, it is genetically inherited, it is found in families. Sometimes it's because of the environmental causes, and also say because if the mother is having any autoimmune problem or a metabolic disorder such as diabetes, or the child is born low weight, or during the time of birth there is oxygen deficit in the child, all these problems can possibly trigger autism. So the diagnosis is quite important here, because if we are able to diagnose quickly, then we can address to the problem so that the child can be given therapies. Speech therapy and family counseling is also very important, so that child can live a happy and a fulfilling life.